You heard it, skepticism about cloud storage security in the wake of the Jennifer Lawrence Kate Upton hacks. Now, cloud computing allows users to store and access data through a common network space instead of a computer's hard drive, and it's exploded as an industry in recent years. And that's why three of the biggest U.S. tech companies, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, are trying to corner this growing market. CCTV's Chris Casqueo has more.
Microsoft's Azure cloud division is driving most of the company's growth, but its cloud business saw a hit earlier this year when China banned Windows 8 on government computers over security concerns. But experts believe cloud computing is here to stay, with Seattle only growing in importance. They point to the 2006 launch of Amazon Web Services, or AWS, as the main reason for Seattle's cloud leadership. Microsoft followed in 2008 when it debuted Azure, originally as a cloud operating system. And internet search leader Google just last year doubled its presence in the Seattle region. For startup companies, public cloud services are the way to do business without spending a lot of money on computer infrastructure.
It used to be that if you wanted to have a startup that, say, was a photo sharing site or something like that, you'd have to have a data center. Now you don't have a data center at all. You just use something like AWS, and at the end of the month, if your customer base has grown, you get a bill and you pay it with your credit card and you have the revenue to cover it. So it's just absolutely transformational in reducing your capital costs and your operating costs for doing computing.
In China, there is a small but potentially lucrative cloud computing business, and Microsoft is trying to break in. Despite its recent clashes with the Chinese government, the world's largest software company says it still sees its mobile-first, cloud-first strategy working in China. The key, Microsoft says, is collaborating with Chinese partners to land public cloud services in China. For example, Microsoft's Chinese partner 21Vianet recently helped Azure obtain China Trusted Cloud certification. But experts warn the approach of building local clouds has some drawbacks.
One of the big benefits of the cloud is it is global. Data can be located in multiple places around the world. The enormous scalability comes from the fact that the cloud is bigger than one university or one company or one country. And that scalability is important to cost effectiveness, to reliability, and you lose that if you start having to have local clouds in every jurisdiction for legal reasons.
As the Chinese government's antitrust investigation into Microsoft continues, company CEO Satya Nadella is set to visit China at the end of the month. But a company spokesperson says his visit was planned before the investigation started, and it's not known whether he'll meet with any Chinese government officials. Chris Casquejo, CCTV, Seattle.